Hello everyone, it's Sandra, and today I thought that I would share with you my quick 5-minute makeup routine. I know that this was quite a popular challenge at some point on YouTube, but I think we all have a really pared back, speedy routine for those mornings where we really need to get out the door and don't have a lot of time, whether something came up or whether you went too crazy with the snooze button. It's nice to have a little pared down routine on lockdown that you could just go to and you know that you're gonna get it done and you can be out the door in 5 minutes and still look presentable. So when it comes to skincare and skincare prep, if I really want to just pare down my routine, I always just kind of keep it simple to 3 or 4 steps. So I wash my face. Sometimes I skip cleanser in the morning and I would just rinse my face with water and then go in with a hydrating serum. This is the Indeed Labs one. Then I go in with moisturizer. This is the one that I'm using right now, the Skin Regimen Tripeptide Cream, and then SPF. This is the SPF I'm using right now, which is the Mecca Cosmetica SPF 30 Mineral Cream. So that is the skincare prep that I started off with this video, and then I usually throw on a lip balm. I consider lip balm part of my skincare routine because I apply it morning and night, especially in the winter time. My lips can get super dry. So this is a lip balm I'm trying to use up right now. It's a discontinued one from Burberry. It's the fresh, what's it called? The First Kiss Fresh Gloss Lip Balm, the Kopari Coconut Glossy. It's very similar. So in terms of skincare prep, that is all that's on my face at the beginning of the video. So I'm going to roll the footage in real time, 5-minute makeup. Let's go. is it. That is my 5-minute makeup routine. Let me know what product you rely on when you have to get out the door really quickly. Do you have standbys that you always go to, or do you switch it up and just kind of wing it with whatever you have on hand? I cannot wait to catch up with you in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.